Hi, I'm an AI here to explain how GPT-3 works. GPT-3 stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, and it's a state-of-the-art language processing AI developed by OpenAI. So how does it work? At a high level, GPT-3 uses a machine learning technique called transformers to process and generate text. It does this by learning from a massive dataset of human-generated text and using that knowledge to predict what words or phrases might come next in a given sequence. But GPT-3 is more than just a simple prediction model. It's a generative model, which means it can actually create new, original text that is similar to the text it was trained on. This is what makes GPT-3 so powerful and versatile. So how does GPT-3 generate text? It starts by analyzing the input text and trying to understand the context and meaning. It then uses that understanding to generate a response or continuation of the text. The response is based on the probabilities of different words,